Hi boys and girls, today we are going to do a literacy activity that involves the letters T and L. What sound does T make? T, T. T makes that sound. T, T. What sound does L make? L. L makes this sound. L. Alright, so I have pictures of different items that start with T and L. And we are going to try to put them in the right bucket. So the beginning sounds of these words are either T, 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 or L, L, L. So let's see which one has the beginning sounds of T and L. Tent, tent. Does tent sound like T, T, T in the beginning? Or L, L? Does it have that sound in the beginning? T, T, tent. It starts with a T. How about a teapot? Does that have the beginning sound of a T, 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 or the beginning sound of an L, L? Teapot. It has the beginning sound of a T. What about this item? A lock. Does lock have the beginning sound of an L, L, lock, or the beginning sound of a T, T, T? Lock has the beginning sound of an L. How about this item? A leaf. L, leaf has the beginning sound of an L. How about this? A ladybug. Does it have the beginning sound of an L, O, or T? T, T. Ladybug. L is right. What about lion? Does lion sound like this in the beginning? T, T, or O, lion. L is the beginning sound in lion. What about top? T, T, top. The beginning sound of top is a T. So we're going to put it in the T bucket. How about tomato? T, T, tomato. That would go in the T bucket as well. What about, ooh, these are sour. Lemon. Does lemon go in the L bucket or the T bucket? Lemon starts with an L and has the beginning sound L, L. Just like L makes the sound L, lemon. What about tie? Tie has the beginning sound T, T. Which letter makes that sound? T, T. T or L? T. Tie begins with T. What about this? This is a log. Log. Does log have the beginning sound like L, O, or T? T, T. Log. Log goes in the L bucket. And our last one, oh, this is a big tooth. Does tooth start with the T or an L? Let's listen to the sound. T, 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 L, L. Tooth. T is right. You guys did such a good job. We filled our T bucket and our L bucket, all with the letters starting with that, all with words that start with that beginning sound. Can you find any items in your house that start with a T or an L? Have a great day.